What? You wouldn't expect to find one of these around here. Pistol grip shifter. Barracuda. Barracuda. Alright, it's Saturday morning. It's, hold on now, 68 in here. Why my air conditioners ain't turned off. Anyway, you know what I got to do there. Haven't done a whole bunch lately. I don't know if y'all have noticed, but sometimes life takes a lot of time. Stuff comes up, you can't do what you want to do. You gotta do what you gotta do. Anyway, I got a lot of gotta do's to do in here. And I may have bought another car. Like a friggin' idiot. But it's a cool one, it's a Mercury. Anyway, we'll see about that in a little while. Right now I need to go do some stuff outside while it's cool. So I'm gonna do that. Alright, I'm back in from messing around outside. Now I need to clean off my workbench, don't I? Or at least some. I got a lot of projects going on here. I need to get this one done badly. So I'm gonna work on it today. Maybe we should have drained this water out of that tank sooner, huh, bud? Spraying the bed liner on the Suburban floor. You need to mix up some more?
Yeah, I think so.
He's doing alright, ain't he?
Yeah, look at it.
Yep, mix up some more. I think, yeah, it looks pretty good. When it hardens up, it'll be alright. Then you can put the seats back in it and see how he did masking. I keep getting distracted a lot, so I'm not really accomplishing a whole lot, but here's what I got done so far. I made a patch. I got a little saw wide there. I'm gonna have to look into some nearsighted glasses, I think. I can't see. I'm making errors I don't usually make. Anyway, I made that patch, and I've got a bunch of patching to do yet here. So I guess I better keep after it. Alright, I got that patch started for there. Still got some welding to do, don't I? This is a bad thing right here. It's gonna take some work. But I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Let me take you out and show you the bed liner in the Suburban. But before I do that, let me just tell you. I sit in here and listen to the radio because I just gotta have the radio on. And they play the same 3 songs over and over. Get your country on. That boy with no country would slapped him in the face. And then I hear a Chevrolet ad. The newly redesigned Silverado. I'm gonna tell you, they need to redesign it again because that thing is ugly. Ugly. I don't know what happened. They designed it and it got hot in there and the mold melted or the pencil slipped. I don't know what happened, but that thing is ugly. And some of them trucks going for 70,000 plus. You're gonna make somebody pay that much money and not get no loan forgiveness? Might as well have them ride around something that looks good. That's my 2 cents. I think that looks pretty good. I think that's a viable option for a beater. That was 2 cans of that stuff. I guess about 2 quarts. Probably only needed a quart and a half. I think it's good. Might as well go have a look at what I've been doing, right? I got that done. Oh, I need to weld that up. I gotta finish welding this. I've got that patch done. Part of a dryer. I don't think I'm gonna use that no more. That's too thin. Too thin of stuff. And I got a bunch more to go. A bunch more to go. Alright, it's around 5. I'm sort of running out of gumption. I think I'm gonna go ahead, finish welding this, or mostly, and weld that up. And then I've got to consider how to build all this back. And I think in order to do that right, I kind of need to put the door back on. Just to keep making sure everything lines up. If you go over here, you can see that seal needs to hit about there, and it looks like it kind of missed it. So yeah, it did. So I need to get that shape correct. And I ain't got much to go by here. So I got some of the old metal. So anyway, I think I'm gonna go ahead and weld this up and call her a day. I think that's what I'm gonna do. She's just in time to help me. I'm done.
Coming in.
Well, that's all I got. I need to weld up that wide gap right there, but I'll do it another day. Looks like I got a little hole right there. I still got to build all that piece, so that's quite an endeavor right there, but I'm gonna worry about it another day. I'm tired now. So I'm gonna go get cleaned up and rest.